Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The greatest academic broadcasting on Thariq boarding. Welcome back on TOV, Thariq on Voice. Hello beloved viewers, my name is Hafizh Rasna.
And I am Ramadhan.
Today on Thariq on News,
we want to deliver news about G20 Summit in Indonesia.
Yeah.
Here's the detailed information.
Okay, that's it. Before we starting our discussing today, there's some special guest want to reciting the Holy Quran, right?
Yes.
To Mr. Khalif, the golden state and the time is yours.
Yes. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul a'udzu birabbin nas, malikin nas, ilahin nas, min syarril waswasil khannas, allazi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas, minal jinnati wan nas. Sadaqallahul azim.
Sadaqallahul azim.
Inshallah.
Yeah. Okay, now is discussion from Andika. How about you? What do you think about the G20 conference?
Firstly, I think that Indonesia, I am very proud of Indonesia.
Oh yeah, me too.
Yeah,
me
so
too.
proud of Indonesia.
A very great applause for Indonesian.
Firstly.
Of course, but I haven't been in Bali, so I don't know where it will be.
Oh no, Bali is a nice place. You should go.
Yeah.
Should go.
It has a pretty good sea to look
Oh,
at.
have you ever been to Bali?
No, actually no, I never.
Yeah. So in my opinion, we should do the conference because Indonesia will get honor from another country, right?
Yeah.
We will get respect by Russia, get respect by the president, the Putin.
Yeah.
So how about you, Mr. Khalif?
Well, for me, it's actually a very good thing that we should do the conference because sometimes the honorable could become a lot more bigger and bigger and become Indonesian a lot more forward to things.
So it doesn't matter if we can come here, so just come in.
Yeah, just come
We'll
and have a nice time.
Very appreciate.
Very appreciate.
What do you think, Mr. Khalif, about Putin will come to Indonesia?
Yeah.
Maybe you just want to take some rest from wars or maybe some things.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
good opinion. Me too. Me too. I understand.
Does Russia want to war with Ukraine? No, it doesn't want to war.
Yeah, maybe just take some rest. Maybe just take some rest.
Wait guys. Before that, we will get an another short clip for the entertainment. So
Golden
make sure,
message for you.
golden message,
Yeah, a
and
very good
you should be hear it, and don't skip the video, and make sure to check this out.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Let's come see and register. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Umar Al-Faruq and I am from SMPIT Thariq Ziyad boarding school. The attitude of teenagers today is very worrying, where the conditions are not very good. The culture of smoking, brawls, free sex, and drugs are a common thing outside. So at that time, my parents and I decided to find an Islamic boarding school that was not far from the city. And its quality is not inferior to a traditional or a modern boarding school. Finally, I decided to survey on SMPIT Thariq Ziyad boarding school. The school was comfortable, beautiful, and not too crowded. I wanted to enter the school immediately. And I think I don't just go to a public school where I can get a religious lesson and make my parents proud. And I do not find an impression of savvy, messy, and traditional here. After 4 months, I think the facilities and the program here are quite good, and it doesn't make me bored. The program here is A3B, Akhlak, Al-Quran, Academic, and Bahasa. So we are studied all the notes above. It is not only good at reciting and good morals, but it's also good at academic and language. This is our target. For your information, all the teachers here must try to speak English in their activities, even though they're still mixed up, but it makes us more enthusiastic in learning English and Arabic. Hopefully I can get what I want with my effort. Turkey scholarship is my target. Allahu Akbar. So my fellow elementary school, let's come see and register in SMPIT Thariq Ziyad boarding school. See you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wow. Great applause. That is true. From our testimony our 9th graders, that is true. But it's up to you.
Yeah, it's up
Just
to
come
you.
and survey.
What are you
Take some
waiting?
survey,
What are you
good job.
waiting? Just come here and
Check
get
in
some
the
surprise.
description.
Check it out.
Check the link in the description.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, I think it's enough. That's all about the Thariq news today. I hope you get a knowledge. I'm Hafizh Rasna.
And I am Muhammad Andika Ramadhan.
And I'm Khalif Rashad Altimori.
See you on TOV, Thariq on Voice. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.